Hello and good morning. How are you all the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine and fit at your home. I'm your maths teacher Ms. Gul and today we will learn about the descending order. Descending order. What is descending order? When we arrange numbers from the greatest to smallest, we say they are in descending order. जब हम अरेंज करते हैं नंबर्स को ग्रेटेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट की तरफ तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Look at this slide. Here are 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can we write this in descending order? We write this in descending order is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From greatest to smallest, we write like this. So student, today we write the descending order 50 to 0. So hurry up, take out your classwork copy of math and ready your page like this. At the top of the page, date and day, draw a margin line and write descending order 50 to 0. Tens and ones. We will start from 50 to 0. 50, then we will write 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41 in one line. Then we will go to the next line and write 40, 39 and so on. और इसी तरह आपने ये जो है ना लिखना है डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर 50 से लेके 0 तक. Now I want to show you the flashcards of addition sums. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Good. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Very good. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Very good. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Good. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Hope you enjoyed the video, and through this video you can easily do your classwork. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.